90-day plan, I've made a few changes to that one as well. So you'll see Joey, Josh, Tanya, Angie, you've now all got your own tab down the bottom there. So what I want the parabrokers to be using that one for is if you get given an inquiry. So if a file is handed over to you, mark that as an inquiry for you so it can track how many files are moving to which parabroker. Last one is we've got the MFAA Virtual Awards tomorrow afternoon. So Birdies nominated in 3 categories as a finalist. I know ladies got some plans for the Philippines team. They'll be logging on at 4 o'clock and joining us to watch the announcement and see the results. So ladies got a challenge, I know, with the Philippines team. They've got a dress to impress on 4 o'clock. So looking forward to seeing what you're up to.
Watch out, guys.
It'll be the excavator and the attachments.
Yeah.
It'll be 40, 60, 65 grand.
Yeah.
Attachment company.
Okay.
So they're 25 from one company and 40 from the other.
Sure. That might be a bit easier without the trailer now.
Yeah, that's why I was nutting it out and just going, look, the trailer's like a smaller firm.
Yeah.
Whereas both the excavator and the attachments are big company, so should be fine.
Let's get on to Mildura, see if we can get an answer from there.
Attachments, trailing 70.
It's changed a little bit now. It's just going to be
It's changed a bit.
just the excavator and attachments for
That's
65.
Okay. So for
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's okay. Send through the invoices, supplies, and I can see if they're accredited with PEPA when I do my welcome call on that one.
Beauty.
The other thing I've heard from other brokers is that there's different SLAs for different types of loans. So if you're doing a self-employed loan, it might take a week. If it's PAYG, it might take 2 days. For us, the SLAs are the same regardless whether it's self-employed, construction, PAYG, it doesn't matter. Very accessible there. So if there's anything that you need in terms of workshopping scenarios, looking for exceptions like that one that we did, I can get you an answer in a couple of hours. So
There's not a deal that goes in now that you don't workshop beforehand. Like,
you have to
call me and
Yeah.
sign off.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Are you
yeah.
sure? Are you
It's not
sure?
one
And then,
thing,
yeah.
it's too much
Then
money.
you feed it.
yeah,
It's not like
yeah.
that's in the bag.
I encourage it because when when I've spoken to the state credit manager, he goes, send me the reference number when it comes in, I'll put my notes on it, I'll make sure it gets done.
Yeah.
Our next award is the Prosper Diversified
All this
Business
stuff.
Award. Successful business.
It's not on here. I didn't want you to bet against me.
It's a little biased.
Birdie.
Yeah!
Is that it?
2 horses.
Financial decisions throughout their life. Plans and strategies they build with clients will be long-term solutions to challenges.
Oh no.
What's the name?
That bad.
Birdie Wealth.
They've cleaned it out.
Play on a golfing team, meaning
That's
to
how
beat
bad it
the
was.
average. Very
Maybe
good.
they didn't upload
The
it.
compounding effect of
Thought I did.
continually making
You're down.
strong, sound decisions
Got cut.
better than the rest
This is me.
their focus.
That's me.
Very excited as the winners of the Diversified Business Award. We only brought conveyancing into the brand last year, and what a perfect fit. Having your conveyancing in-house just makes every deal so much smoother, and very lucky to have partnered with Kylie, who's the other director of that business, to bring it to life. It was an exciting and scary challenge stepping into a world that we didn't know, and the results have just been phenomenal. The feedback from the clients is really happy, and the transition through to settlement for them is really easy. So highly encourage any other broker to come on board. Shout out to Abby and Kylie, the conveyancers working out of that department. They make our jobs so much easier, and big thank you to the MFAA for putting on tonight.